Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Kadesha and we are back with another hair tutorial for you guys. Today we'll be installing a unit from Tinashe Hair. This is their packaging. I'm just going to show you guys what I received inside my package today. So they actually sent us a lot of gifts. I don't know if your package is going to look like that. I hope it does. But they sent us a lot of stuff to install our wig. And let me show you guys the wig we'll be working with today. So this is the unit we're installing today. This one is their 14-inch highlighted loose wave wig. This one comes pre-cut and pre-plucked for us. The wig is actually fully customized and it comes with the breathable cap along with the adjustable band to help secure your wig. This is what it's looking like. This one is a simple grab and go ready to wear wig straight out the box. So let's go ahead and just put our wig on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use some edge control to make some baby hair on my natural hair. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put a wig cap on. They did send us a HD wig cap. I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on. So this is what it's looking like now that I put the wig on, but I can still see the lace even though it's pre-cut. So what I'm about to do is to cut off like the excess lace that I'm seeing. I want it to be as natural as possible and I can still see the lace in some places. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut those little areas off. But it is looking super pretty, super good. I love what it's giving off. So let's go ahead and cut that off and see what she looks like. So this is what it's looking like now that I cut the excess lace off. It is giving us a more natural, realistic vibe. So what I'm about to do now, all that's left is pretty much to just style the unit. So let's go ahead and style it. I want to show you like how versatile this unit actually is. So I will be doing like a side part to show you guys the full prettiness of the unit. Like, it is a gorgeous unit. I love what it's given. I love that I selected this top for this unit because it complements what the unit brings. Again, this unit is a simple grab and go ready to wear wig and it comes pre-styled. If you want to just comb these curls out and wear it like that, then you can do that because it will look super pretty. But I'm just gonna go ahead and refresh the unit a little bit. So let's go ahead and finish up the unit. I will be leaving the link down below. You guys can go ahead and purchase this unit. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this up. Alright guys, so this is the final look. It is super pretty, super bouncy. I love how this unit turned out, and you can see it is super versatile. It came in the center part, but I felt like I wanted to wear it in the side. It's 100% glueless. It is giving us super pretty. Love it. It's a gorgeous unit. If you want to get this unit, then go ahead and click that link in my description and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Tinashe Hair, their website is also in my description, so go ahead and make your purchase. This is the final look. Let me show you guys the back. I will be leaving the link and the wig detail down below, so go ahead and check out my description. This is where I'll leave you guys for today. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up, leave some comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in another video.